In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation in a 16:9 ratio, the full 2024 guide. Starting off, you'll want to launch your web browser and head over to Google. You can type google.com into the address bar to get there quickly. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll see a familiar search bar right in the center. Type PowerPoint into the search bar and hit enter. What we're looking for is a link to PowerPoint Online. This will direct you to the browser-based version of Microsoft PowerPoint, allowing you to create and edit presentations without needing to download any software. When you find the link for PowerPoint Online, click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first. But if you already have an account, just log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to a PowerPoint dashboard where you can begin creating your presentation. Here, you want to look for an option to create a blank presentation. Click this to start with a fresh blank slate where you can begin adding slides, text, images, and any other content you want to include. Once your blank presentation loads, you'll see several tools and options at the top of the interface offering different functionalities to enhance your slides. To adjust the slide size to a widescreen format with a 16:9 aspect ratio, navigate to the Design tab, which you'll find in the menu at the top. Clicking on Design brings up a variety of design themes and settings that allow you to modify the overall look of your presentation. Next, locate the Slide Size button within the Design tab's toolbar. Click on Slide Size and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Widescreen 16:9 option. This setting optimizes your presentation for modern displays which typically use this aspect ratio. It's especially useful if you're planning to project your presentation or display it on a widescreen monitor. Selecting this option automatically adjusts the dimensions of your slides to fit the 16:9 ratio, ensuring all your content and designs are tailored for high-quality display. And that's it! You've successfully set up your PowerPoint presentation in the 16:9 format. Now you can continue to add content to your slides, knowing everything will display correctly on most modern viewing platforms. Remember that this process is easily reversible, so if you ever need to change the aspect ratio again, simply return to this slide size drop-down to make adjustments as needed. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.